Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Chime application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Chime application on your device and you will be taken into the homepage where you can find the sign up and login button. Now, if you don't already have an account, you will need to use the sign up option to create your account. And in order to log in, tap on the login button. You will then be asked to enter your email address and your password. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up to create your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. After entering both your credentials, you can tap on the login button, and you will then receive a text message within your phone with the verification code. Just check your SMS after tapping on the login button, and then enter the given verification code in the next screen. After you have entered the verification code, you will successfully be logged into your account on the Chime application right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can use the Need Help button and then tap on I forgot my password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Chime application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.